I've been experimenting a little bit with a way of removing iPhone screens without obviously damaging them. This is an iPhone 14. It's got a little bit of damage to the OLED already. I don't think it's got any cracks in it. But the point of this video, I'm going to just remove the bottom screws, is to show you this way that I've been doing them. And the issue that I have when we get it very hot is that the mid frame or the bezel of the screen separates from the screen. I've seen lots of videos what say that we have to get it very, very hot before removing the screen. However, I think doing it this way really minimizes that risk of doing any damage. So all we're going to need a little bit of alcohol, a blue plastic, the same tools, blue plastic pick, a suction cup, and of course I don't use a Dorco blade, I'm using a standard razor blade. It's just a bit thicker. And if you can, put the suction cup on the bottom. If it's broken, it doesn't matter. Usually if it's broken, it's easy. It's not hot. I've not warmed it up in any way at all. It's not been on the hot plate. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to stick the suction cup on the bottom there, and then we're going to get the razor blade. Same as we normally do, we're just going to insert it and push it down into that little gap there. Just make sure that it goes in. Just nice like that. Really push it down to the bottom, and it's going to stop on the metal frame. Once you've done that, you can add some alcohol, and we're just gonna peel that back. With this, I'm like pushing down here, but pushing up here, pulling up here. I'm not just pulling up, I'm like pivoting it, and then I'm pulling, I'm sort of prying this like that, all at the same time. And what happens is the screen comes off really, really easy without any need to heat it up at all. And you can just grab it like that. And you saw there was a green line on that screen. Oh, sorry, a white line on that screen. Let me just turn it back on. You'll see there will be a line over this side, but the rest of it. But my point is, this is a solid way of doing it. I'll do it with a perfectly working screen if I need to, I suppose. But it's just an alternative way of opening these phones up without having to get really hot. It's quicker, and there's less risk of damaging it. Of course, we'll work our way around. And then the top bit is probably the trickiest bit, but I found if you get the razor blade again, pop it in the top nice and flat, and then just pull it that way, it just pops it out, makes it real easy to open. And yeah, this has never been opened before. It's the original screen. The other thing that I've found is it leaves the adhesive all intact. Obviously, it's up to you whether you decide to reuse that adhesive or not. We'll be swapping it out, but I just find that it's just a cleaner, easier, better way of opening an iPhone. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.